Hi guys, it's Dr. Tim Harrigan from Synergy Wellness in Tucson, Arizona. These FX lasers that we've used in our practice for several years, I used on myself first. I had a knee issue, it wasn't getting better, and I started lasering myself with a lot of skepticism, to be honest.
Hi, I'm Kirsten, and I am a chiropractic assistant here at Synergy Wellness. And the FX laser has been extremely beneficial for our patients. We've seen a lot of patients come in with extreme pain, and they've actually started with the laser therapy before chiropractic care, and it's been very beneficial with helping to not only speed up their recovery, but reduce that pain and any type of discomfort that they've been having.
I'm Mary. I've been doing chiropractic for close to 50 years, but Synergy Wellness is a special place. They have so many cutting-edge ideas. One of them is the FX laser. I've been having a little lower back issue, and I've been having these laser treatments, and it really helps.
Highly recommend it to your patients and anyone seeking that improved recovery.
Then I've used it on my shoulder, my ankles, I use it on my family, my kids, they're in gymnastics and soccer, and now with hundreds of patients, we are absolutely convinced that these work.
Hello, I'm Jim. I'm here at Synergy Wellness, and I'd like to give you my experience of the FX laser. I came in originally seeking treatment for chiropractic reasons with Dr. Harrigan, and I was indoctrinated with his approach and how cold laser could assist that. I found good responses to that, and I encourage you to come in and try it for yourself.
It helps all of our other therapies work even better, and it's non-invasive, and they just heal much more rapidly than not using them. Do something today that's going to improve your health for tomorrow.